we're going to show you how to use our custom-made Pippin punches here to use on our collar studs. So we've got one already done. So this is our small collar stud. So a Pippin punch cuts the hole and the slit. So as you can see, it's going down over the collar stud. The slit area opens, and it fits perfectly over the collar stud's throat. So we've got two sizes. We've got the Pippin punch for our B1016 and the larger for the P1018. We've already done some prep work here. So we've installed the back post into the collar stud with our setters here. So we are going to grab a strap. I'm going to grab our larger punch. I'm going to punch it so that the hole is on the bottom, and you'll see why. Get that lined up. So we come through there, got our hole, and so this down and over, perfect. So generally there's going to be a little pressure whether you're using this as a bracelet or a bag strap or a closure, so the pressure is going down, not against the slit. So that's how we've punched it here. The other way that you did this before without a Pippin punch is you used a rotary punch. And what you do is you'd punch your hole, and then you use a knife, and you'd make a slit. Just like that. So then when you're going over, again, same purpose, this tool just makes it a whole lot easier. And that's how you use our Pippin punches.